This episode of DNews is brought to you by LG G3. Rise and shine, New Horizons, you're almost at Pluto. Hey guys, Amy here for DNews, and whether you think Pluto is a planet or not, it's a fascinating little body, and after 8 years, the first ever dedicated mission to the dwarf planet, New Horizons, is waking up from hibernation to start its main mission, and it's sort of a landmark moment. Since it launched on January 19th of 2006, New Horizons has spent 1,873 days in hibernation. That's about 2/3 of its flight lifetime. Hibernation mode is vital on a mission like this because Pluto is really far away. 1 astronomical unit, or AU, is the distance from the Sun to the Earth, and Pluto never comes closer than 29.7 AU to the Sun. At its furthest, it's 49.3 AU. Keeping the spacecraft in an unpowered, hibernating state while it crosses these insanely large distances is crucial for conserving power and reducing wear and tear on spacecraft systems to keep it healthy. But it isn't exactly just powered off. Onboard flight computers have been monitoring the system's health and sending a weekly beacon status tone back to Earth. And of course, it's woken up for some exciting moments like encounters with Jupiter and Saturn. But this is the big one. We're at Pluto's doorstep and about to get into some really exciting science. New Horizons is set to wake up at 3 p.m. Eastern Time on December 6th. At that time, it'll be 2.9 billion miles from the Earth and a relatively short hop from Pluto. It'll be just 162 million miles from the dwarf planet. Once it wakes, it will send an electronic word back to Earth confirming it's in active mode. Then the team will run systems checks and get data back that's been stored on the spacecraft. Then, before you know it, we'll be at Pluto. This is actually going to be a really exciting mission. Not only is this the first ever dedicated mission to Pluto, this is the first spacecraft to go beyond Saturn since the Voyager spacecraft reached the outer solar system in the 1980s. And needless to say, the instruments on New Horizons are far more modern and updated than those aboard the Voyagers that were built and launched in the 1970s. But more than just great data, we're going to learn some really neat things. Pluto and its largest moon, Charon, are a binary system the same way the Earth and Moon are, the only other such pair in the solar system. Pluto's scant atmosphere is also escaping from the little body extremely quickly, much in the same way scientists think the atmosphere poured off the early Earth. It's quite possible that New Horizons' close encounter with Pluto in July of 2015 will teach us as much about our own planet as it will about the dwarf planet. It's definitely a mission to watch. Are you guys excited for New Horizons' encounter with Pluto next summer? Let us know in the comments below, or you can catch me on Twitter as AST Vintage Space. And don't forget to subscribe for more DNews every day of the week. This episode of DNews is brought to you by LG G3.